As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Chilliz cost will hit $0.1 toward the finish of 2024 and afterwards $0.2 toward the finish of 2035. Chilliz value forecast 2023 to 2024. Chilliz cost began in 2023 at $0.0999. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.0763, so the cost diminished by 24% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0948 and the year-to-year change 5%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 24%. In the principal half of 2024, the Chilliz cost will move to $0.0995. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0054 and close the year at $0.1049, which is plus 37% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months. Monday, November 27, $0.0768. Tuesday, November 28, $0.0774. Wednesday, November 29, $0.0779. Thursday, November 30, $0.0784. Friday, December 1, $0.0789. Saturday, December 2, $0.0795. Sunday, December 3, $0.0800. Monday, December 4, $0.0805. December 15, $0.0863. January 15, $0.0952. February 15, $0.0960. March 15, $0.0967. April 15, $0.0975. May 15, $0.0983. Chilliz expectation 2025 to 2029. This 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.1049 to $0.1677, which is up 60%. Chilliz will begin 2025 at $0.1049, then, at that point, take off to $0.1096 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0988. That implies plus 29% from today. Chilliz forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.1677 to $0.1880, which is plus 12%. Chilliz will begin 2030 at $0.1677, then dip to $0.1656 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $0.1558. It is about plus 104% from today. Chilliz value expectation 2023 to 2024. Chilliz cost began in 2023 at $0.0999. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.0667, so the cost diminished by 33% from the outset of the year. The determined Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0718 and the year-to-year change 28%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 8%. In the main portion of 2024, the Chilliz cost will move to $0.0754. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0041 and close the year at $0.0795, which is plus 19% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.0795 to $0.1271, which is up 60%. Chilliz will begin 2025 at $0.0795, then take off to $0.0831 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0749. That implies plus 12% from today. Chilliz expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.1271 to $0.1425, which is plus 12%. Chilliz will begin 2030 at $0.1271, then, at that point, dip to $0.1255 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $0.1181. It is about plus 77% from today. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.0555, so the cost diminished by 44% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0714 and the year-to-year change 29%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 29%. In the principal half of 2024, the Chilliz cost will move to $0.0750. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0075 and close the year at $0.0825, which is plus 49% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.0825 to $0.1496, which is up 81%. Chilliz will begin 2025 at $0.0825, then, at that point, dip to $0.0794 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0937. That implies plus 69% from today. Chilliz forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.1496 to $0.2152, which is plus 44%. Chilliz will begin 2030 at $0.1496, then take off to $0.1592 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $0.1673. It is about plus 202% from today. 10/1/2023 Chilliz value expectation 2023 to 2024 Chilliz cost began in 2023 at $0.0999. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.0633, so the cost diminished by 37% from the very start of the year. The gauge Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2023 is $0.0760 and the year-to-year change 24%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 20%. In the main portion of 2024, the Chilliz cost will move to $0.0798. In the final part, the cost would add $0.0080 and close the year at $0.0878, which is plus 39% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.0878 to $0.1592, which is up 81%. Chilliz will begin 2025 at $0.0878, then, at that point, dip to $0.0845 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.0997. That implies plus 58% from today. Chilliz forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $0.1592 to $0.2290, which is plus 44%. Chilliz will begin 2030 at $0.1592, then, at that point, take off to $0.1694 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2030 at $0.1780. It is about plus 181% from today. 9/15/2023 Chilliz value expectation